Hello my dear students, good morning second class. I am Neelam. Today I welcome you in your GK class. In last video we have already unit 1 exercise number 2 is complete. Now today we will do the exercise number 3. Okay. Exercise number 3 is season. Okay. As we all know that there are 5 types of seasons. Okay. Autumn, winter, summer season, rainy season, spring season. These are the types of season. Okay. What is season? When a particular type of weather stays the same for a couple of months, we call it a season. Okay. And there are 5 types of season. Winter season, summer season, autumn season, rainy season, spring season. Okay. So there are the pictures of seasons and you will identify which season is this, and there is a clue box for you for your help. So first you identify the season, then write its name. See the first picture. First one is a season when it often rains. In which season rains? It's the season of rainy season. So we write here rainy. Now see the second picture. What you have seen? In second picture, a season when the weather remains hot. In which season the weather is hot? It's a summer season. Okay, so we write here summer season. Now see the picture number 3. A season when trees shed their leaves. Which season is this? This is autumn season. So we write here autumn season. Now see the picture number 4. There are so many flowers are blooming. So a season in which flowers bloom. Which season is this? This is spring season. So we write here spring season. Now see the picture number 5. A season when the days and nights are cold. Okay. Which season is this? This is winter season. So we write here winter. Okay. So the exercise 3 is complete. You will write this exercise in your notebook. Okay. You will write only the sentences. Okay. Exercise number 1, 2, 3. Write only sentences, then answer rainy season. Okay. So don't draw the pictures or paste the picture. No need to paste the pictures. Write only a comment, then write answer. Okay. Now we will do exercise number 4. This is my school. Okay. In school there are so many types of rooms. Okay. School is the place where we learn to read and write. Yes. Okay. School is the place where we learn to read and write. And there are different types of rooms as you have seen in your school. Look at the pictures. For example, computer lab, canteen, activity room, dance room, and your science labs also. So there are different types of rooms in your school. So there are some pictures and you will identify the pictures and write their names. And there is a clue for you in the given below in this page. So see the first picture. First one is there are students are sitting and operating computer. So which room is this? This is computer lab. So you will write here computer lab. And see the next picture, picture number 2. There are so many peoples and they are eating different types of foods, and there are so many food items. So this is the picture of canteen. Okay. And the next picture number 3 is teacher is teaching something to the students. So this is the scene of classroom. So we write here classroom. Now see the picture number 4. There are students playing something, doing something. So which room is this? This is activity room. Okay. Now see the picture number 5. This is girls are dancing. So this is a dance room. So we write here dance room. Okay. Now see the picture number 6. Students are there and they are learning singing. So which room is this? This is music room. Okay. So we write here music room, and there is a quick quiz for you. Write any 2 uses of a computer in a school. You will do this quiz by yourself and write here 2 uses of computer. Okay. So this is exercise number 4 is complete. Now the exercise number 5. Exercise number 5 is things made up. Things made up. Okay. So there are picture. Look at the pictures of different things given below and write the names of the material. Names of the material they are made of with the help of clue box. Okay. This is the picture and there is a blank for you and there is a clue box for you for your help, and from this clue box you will complete these blanks. Okay. So see the first blank. This is a window and there is a blank. Window is made up of which material is used in window? The border is made up of wood, but the middle part is made up of glass. So we write here glass. Okay. Now see the second picture. There is a toy of the children's and it is made up of plastic. So we write here plastic. Now see the picture number 3. There is a man who is reading newspaper and newspaper is made up of paper. So we write here paper. Okay. Now the picture number 4. This is a bag. Bag is made up of jute. There is in the clue box there is a jute. So we write here jute. Okay. The bag is made up of jute. Now the picture number 5. This is a chair. Chair is made up of wood. So we write here wood. Now see the picture number 6. This is a skirt is wearing by a girl. So the skirt is made up of cotton. So we write here cotton. Now see the picture number 7. This is shoes. So shoes is made up of leather. So we write here leather. Okay. Now the picture number 8. They are tires. Okay. Tires is made up of rubber. So we write here rubber. Okay. So this exercise is complete now. Exercise number 5. Okay. Now the next exercise number 6. Let's show. Okay. Exercise number 6. Let's shop. Let's shop. There are so many kinds of shop. What is shop? Shop is a place where different items are kept for sale. This is called shop. Okay. So there are fill in the blanks and there are given some pictures for your help, and these are the clues for these fill in the blanks. And first you read the sentence, then see the pictures, then fill these blanks. Okay. So the first one is, we buy notebooks and pencils from a dash. Now see the pictures. See the pictures. From where you go to buy the books? See the pictures? Yes, you will go stationery shop to buy notebooks or books. Okay, so we write here stationery. Now the second one is we buy toys from a dash. From which shop we go for buy a toys? We go toys shop. Okay, so we write here toys shop. Now next one is number 3. We buy fruits and vegetables from a dash. Yes, where we go for buy fruits and vegetables? Grocery shop. So we write here grocery shop. And the next one is we buy medicines from a. Where we go for buying medicines? We go for a chemist. Okay, we go chemist for buying medicines. So we write here chemist. Next one is number 5. We buy food items from a general store. Okay, where we go for buying food items? We go general store. Okay, so this is exercise number 6 is complete. Now your first unit is complete today. Complete this work in your notebook. Okay, and complete in your book. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.